Hello, thanks for joining. This is another Trimble Earthworks video. Today we're going to get into infield designs. So infield designs gives the operator the ability from the cab of the machine to create a 3D design on the screen, on the TD520 screen. So what we're going to do, we're going to get right into it. So to access infield design, we're going to press and hold in the guidance bar right here and go to job setup. So we're going to change our mode from design to infield. We're going to hit designs and we're going to hit create. So in this menu, it gives you the option to create a level plane, a sloping plane, or you can select an alignment and a cross section. So if you were just trying to put in a flat pad, then you would select level. You would assign an elevation or bench the blade or bucket and apply that, and it would create you a level surface with guidance with cuts and fills. And the same applies for slope. You would apply a cross slope and or a main fall slope. For this demonstration, we're going to do alignment and section. Now, in a later demonstration, we're going to demonstrate how to create an alignment using points. That would be points that the office sent to you to put into the machine. Design points, so that would be points that you as the operator measured and saved in your Earthworks display. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to focus. Now, what the system is looking for, so this is step 1 of 3. We have to create an alignment. So alignment means point A to point B, start and stop. So the idea here, we have a low spot right here, and we are going to put our bucket down and we're going to measure our grade here in this point. Okay, well, let's come up just a little. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to add a point. So this blue icon right here, anything that's blue is usually your recommended action, your next action. So we're going to record that point. So if you notice, it records a northing, an easting, and an elevation. Okay, so now the idea would be to pick the bucket up out of the ground, spin around, and start tracking in the location that we want to end our ditch. We are trying to dig a ditch. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pick up, spin around, alright, the direction we want to go is in the direction of that pond up ahead. So we're going to track forward to that location and store another point to create our alignment. Okay, we are where we want to end this excavation. So we're going to reach out. We're going to place our bucket down on the ground where we want to end it. And we are going to store another point. So take notice what we have here. Again, our northing, easting, and our elevation. So our previous elevation was higher than this one, which is great. We want some fall, we want some slope. So this here, this is point A to point B. This is our alignment. This is on the plan. So if you click elevation, you can edit the elevations. If you can assign a new value or a new elevation to them. If you're happy with your elevation, you hit next. Now we have to create the section, the cross section. We're going to do that by touching on screen. Here it allows you to draw with your finger. So all you have to do is start drawing. So what we did, we just started drawing the line. Okay. Now we can edit each segment, each piece of this. So here you notice we have a 5.53 foot length, and it's giving us a slope, a negative 97% cross slope. So we are going to assign our own values to these. As you can see, the changes are now in place. So we're going to continue drawing. We're going to draw a flat bottom for this ditch. Once again, we're going to edit. We're going to change this to our own values. How about a 10-foot bottom in width, and we'll do a 0%, and there you have it. Now, rather than drawing the other side, and we want to mirror, we're going to click this icon here, and we're going to touch mirror from end, and it puts the identical slopes, widths, everything on the other side. Next, it's asking us to combine the alignment in the section. So this is important. So always remember to create a center point, a center line, if you will, and we have. So you can use either one of these icons here with the arrow, and we are trying to get the center, which we just got the center. So we're going to hit save. We're going to select it, apply it, and here is the beautiful design we just created. It gives you 3D, the 3D model we just drew, and we have cuts and fills.
Like this video? Give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, click subscribe for instant access to updates and new videos. Also, check the description for links to additional support files and content. And as always, thanks for watching.